Regulations on cryptocurrencies are different in different countries across the globe. Even the trading process is regulated differently by the financial authorities of the various countries. And in India, there is very little clarity about how to deal with crypto. India is still undecided on whether crypto assets should be treated as an asset class. Hey guys, I am Prarthana from ClearTax and today I will share the knowledge on cryptocurrency and income tax in India. So let's begin. Firstly, what are cryptocurrencies? Well, a cryptocurrency is a digital asset created to serve as a medium of exchange and uses cryptography to secure financial transactions. Instead of using a centralized digital currency and central banking system, cryptocurrencies maintain a decentralized control. The decentralized control of each cryptocurrency works through distributed ledger technology, typically a blockchain that serves as a public financial transaction database. Now comes the most crucial question, and that is, what is the treatment of cryptocurrency under the Indian tax law? Well, there is no clear rule of law in the Indian legislation that defines taxation on crypto assets. This has led to chartered accountants to interpret the taxation rules that already exist in terms of crypto asset. Income earned by trading cryptocurrency is not considered as a normal income. It is instead treated as a capital gain. Well, typically, capital gains apply to profits earned from the sales of a movable or immovable asset. Now, essentially, accountants are treating cryptocurrency as an asset pretty much like gold or real estate that can be sold for a profit rather than a currency. So for all purposes, capital gains tax is applied on crypto-related income earned by an Indian in the country. One must keep in mind that capital gains tax rules are subject to holding period of the asset, which implies that the period the person holds the cryptocurrency will determine the rate of taxation applicable. If the individual has an annual income of more than 10 lakh, then they will be charged a tax of 30% for short-term crypto earnings and 20% for long-term crypto earnings. In case of someone who has mined their cryptocurrency, it might not be treated as a capital asset. Hence, they will not be charged a capital gains tax. The income earned from the sale of that cryptocurrency will be considered as income from other sources and it will be taxed accordingly. Although the RBI will be presenting crypto regulations as per the Supreme Court's request. Now, once these regulations are notified, then the taxation of cryptocurrencies might become more explicit and it will be easier for us to understand thereon. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you have any doubts regarding the video, definitely express that in the comment section below. Also, do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to ClearTax's YouTube channel for regular videos on finance. Stay tuned, stay happy and take care.